School to Naja we day.
Oh yeah, come outside. Is all these children? All these children? Shut up, come this way. We're telling you to move, you're still saying please. No, you don't know what. What do you have here? What do you have here? Show me, man. Keep quiet. If you don't think I'm going to slap you now. These children, they are the ones they are using for distribution in this country.
You are still saying distribution. They are the one they use for whistle blowing. You talk now. Slap your mouth. What is that?
It's my mom that said I should go and throw away my brother's poopoo.
What? Jesus! School to
Hello, my people. This is Officer Caro in the building. Okay, quick one. I want to just tell you to keep watching School 2. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You know me now. I'm on that level. Like, tell a friend, tell a friend. And we actually love you guys for your love and support. We really appreciate you. But you can do more. Thank you so much. Keep watching School 2. Enjoy, have fun, and keep cracking your ribs. You know what I mean?
school to Naja we day.